Dear friends, now let's understand what is HML analysis. Now before we understand what is HML analysis, we already seen that in ABC analysis we have taken a criteria of annual consumption value of the products. Now here it is a slight difference in HML analysis. So rather than we consider annual consumption value of the product, we directly take only materials unit value as a criteria to define H, M and L class of the products. To have a simple example of HML analysis, in your entire inventory portfolio, if you consider any product which has the value or which has unit price as more than $1,000, that can be H category of product. In second case, M category of product can be a product whose value or unit price is more than 400 and less than $1,000. And in L class items, any product whose unit price or value is less than 400 US dollars is a L class item. So this is one of the simplest analysis in the inventory management portfolio. Now what is the use of HML analysis? So there are basically two major use of this HML analysis. The first is inventory optimization and demand forecasting. So in both these methods, for inventory optimization and as well as demand forecasting, high value items should be given a major attention and major efforts in terms of inventory optimization and demand forecasting. The second use of HML analysis is to manage obsolescence. Now, by actively monitoring high value items, businesses can identify possible overstock of the products and can take appropriate actions so that they can manage obsolescence in the future. And this management of obsolescence may include the implementation of promotions and discounting on those items which are having highest value and they are at the end of their life. So this will also help in avoiding financial losses and to optimize the use of a storage space in the facility. So that was all about HML analysis, and it is one of the simplest analysis in the selective inventory control methods.